Hi, welcome to TreeCreator. In this video I'm going to discuss how to edit family members. We will cover 4 things: create, delete, find and modify. Let's start with create by clicking on Create Member. I'm going to create a simple member. I will call him John and I'm going to click Save Member. And John has been created and he has been put in a place as an unconnected family members because we have not indicated who his parents or spouse are. And also he has a gray outline rather than a blue or pink because we didn't specify if he was male or female. To delete John we just need to hover over the picture, in this case it's not a picture, just the avatar. And we have the delete button. And in here this window appears where we need to confirm that we really want to delete this person by typing just the first name. But there is a shortcut where we can click on the first name that is shown here and it gets copied into the field and then we can press the red button to remove him. And now he's gone. Now to find someone, we just need to type and look for example, Carlos. And there is Carlos. I'm going to press it and then I'm taken where Carlos is shown. Now he's shown twice because he is first the son in a family units and then he's a father in the other family units. To edit Carlos I just need to click on the avatar picture and it opens the family members form. There. Now in here we have the photos on the left-hand side. Then we have the basic information where we can input information. On top of here, we have the selector if the person is male or female, and then to the right we have the if the person has passed away information. And here we can click, for example, the checkbox of deceased, and then we get the black ribbon next to the picture. And then we have 5 more sections that we can expand. The one that is most used is the family where we can input the parents and the spouses. And we can always add more spouses if the person has married more than once. Next, we have religion, useful when you do research and find church records, then you can register them in here. And in history we have 3 areas: residences, occupation, profession, and education. And you can always add one more line and have the information added by clicking the Add button. I'm going to remove that line again. Collapse that section and then open the ID documents. Same principle in here. If you have ID documents of people that have passed away and you want to keep a record of it, you can do so in here. And you can select the type of document and then add a number next to it. And then you have the general notes where you can add more notes in here and keep them. It could be anything that you would like to add. Okay. I'm going to close that. And that is how you edit family member. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next one.